Good day. My name is Dominic Jude Subong of PSECE 3A, and I will demonstrate a light chaser function using Arduino Uno. To have a clear view of our circuit, let's go to Tinkercad. So this is going to be our circuit. Now let's proceed to the code. So this code allows the program to create a moving LED pattern that grows over time. When the button is pressed, the LEDs turn on one by one from the first LED to a certain point, then turn off in reverse order. After each full cycle, the pattern reaches one LED farther from before. This gives the effect of a light being accumulated. The movement is being controlled by three variables, which is here the max LED variable, index variable, and turning on variable. The index variable tracks which LED is active, max LED variable sets how far the light can travel, and turning on variable decides whether LEDs are turning on or off. Once the forward movement reaches its limit, the direction switches and the LEDs turn off backwards. The program uses milliseconds for timing instead of delays, which allows smooth animation and quick response to the button. And a 3 millisecond delay is added before each new cycle to make the pattern clearer. So this is our actual circuit. Um, so when we click this switch, the program will start, which will turn on this first LED. After this first LED turns on, it will turn off, have a 3 milliseconds delay. It will turn on, the second LED will turn on, turn off, have a 300 milliseconds delay, turn on until the third LED turn off, and it will repeat the pattern until this LED will be reached. So let's start. Additionally, when we press this switch, the program will start. Letting go of the switch will pause the program, not reset it. So let's start. As you can see, we let go of the switch and the LEDs are still turned on. To have a better view during low lights, this is our LEDs. So that is our light tracer function using Arduino Uno. Thank you.